Hello there. Most people think that once you have disc problems, they're here to stay. That's not the case. We can fix these issues, and we do it by what's called four-dimensional non-surgical decompression. So our technology is very unique. We can put in what's called an x-axis force, where we put in a decompressive force to that affected disc, getting the pressure off the nerves, rebuilding the discs. But in doing that, we can also do what's called trunk flexion, and that can open up the back part of the nerves and get the pressure off the nerves, relieving pain and problems. While doing those, we can also do what's called lateral flexion decompression, where we can bend the table sideways to correct any pelvic imbalances or curves in the spine. And the last one that we do, which is very unique, is what's called rotational decompression, where we can spin the tables and reverse any scoliosis or winding of the spine. We can really do great things for you. My name is Dr. Brad Deacon. We're at Burlington Spinal Decompression. Thank you.